All right, so we got an oil change going on here for my 2019 Kia Forte. So take cap off, pull dipstick, get all that ready to go. Just leave it all sit there. Put your car on jacks, jack stands. In my case, I got ramps. Get yourself a nice oil drain pan. Okay, and then this one's actually working out really well. Drain plug comes out. It doesn't even hit anything. The stream goes right into the pan perfectly, so that's great. It is a, let me see, oil drain pan, 17 millimeter. Next, you got that loose. You gotta get up in there. Oil filter sits right there. It's actually pretty easy to get to no matter what. I got this attachment for my socket wrench. Works great. Once you get it broken loose so far, actually it works really well. You put a solo cup on the bottom of the oil filter and you use it almost like a glove and just loosen it. And then all the oil just sits in that. And then once you get it all off, just let it drop into the cup and let it go in there. No mess, none at all. So, and then that's it. We're gonna let it finish draining. Well, it's actually done draining, but just about. And then we'll get everything back together. Next thing I like to do, if I can, get some oil in your filter. Fill it up as much as you can without making a mess. Lubricate your seal here, some oil. Now we're ready to stick it on. Okay, so just got it started. It's not hard. You can get your hand right in here and just, sorry about the light. I don't know why that does that. Get it on there. Oh. Hand tight, you know, real snug. Hand tight. Don't grab an impact. So that's good. So we just gotta put our drain pan, the drain plug bolt in our pan, and then we'll throw some oil in it. Now we're gonna throw some oil. I don't have any other fancy funnels, so we got this lovely diesel exhaust fluid funnel we're using. And we're just gonna throw like 4 quarts in this, and we'll check it because the other quarter quart, whatever, might be made up in the oil filter, some of it at least. Sorry about the shaking. All right, let's see where we are. Almost there. That should be good. Got this thing back on level ground, so after all that and everything's sitting for a minute, check the oil level. Ours came up just right at the bottom of the line, so we'll just put a pinch more oil in it and, you know, we'll be good there. And that's it.